Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bree, and as you can see, I have not yet completed my content studio, but I really wanted to make sure I gave you guys some valuable information that has helped me along my journey in creating a fashion styling business, a coaching business, a YouTube channel in order to generate an income as a digital creator, as a virtual stylist, fashion stylist, coaching consultant, and with this YouTube channel. So stick around with me because I'm going to give you some really good information on how you can start to generate some income and turn your passion into an actual profit. Also, make sure you stick around for the end because I'm going to give you a flow, like a daily chart that you can use in order to add things into your business or add things into your daily tasks that you may already be doing, may not be doing, so you can see an actual day in the life kind of schedule that you can use in order to make sure that you're staying on top of your goals and making sure that you're reaching the success that you're looking for. Okay, the first thing is going to be making sure you create valuable content. Now, I'm sure like you've heard that before, but it's so important to create value and to give value because it creates trust in your audience. Like it helps you build a real community when you're giving value to someone. You don't want to just put information out there that's just like scattered or has no niche to it or has no value to someone. Someone is searching for your information, whether that be Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and in a search engine for information. We are an information based generation. So if you are putting information out there, make sure that it has some type of value to it. Whether that be you sharing an outfit and the reason why you styled it that way. Maybe, it's the quality. Maybe it makes you feel good. Maybe it's something about it that is adding value to someone's life. Or if you are sharing information, make sure that it's something that people can actually incorporate and use in their business. Something that maybe you've learned and you want to share with someone else. Adding value is going to be the best way to start to build real trust. And when it comes to building trust with your potential clients, they want to know that they can trust you before they're even going to want to hire you for your services or even purchase any of your products. Now, the best way to do that is to have like some type of routine, and that can be whether you are using a social media platform to put your information out there and you are needing some type of asset. So maybe you need some type of content creation and you don't have the time. Don't think that you have to do everything by yourself. You can use this platform called Creative Marketplace. Trust me, you're going to want to use this. This is probably the best tip out of this whole video, but you can go there, use templates, niche it down to whatever you are trying to sell, whether that be your service or your product, and create it as your own. It's just a great tool that you can use. I would suggest just going on there, playing with it. It's like a YouTube, Google for, not YouTube, but it's like a Google search for any type of templates like created already on Canva that you can make into your own business. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is engage your audience. You want to create some type of real relationship with people. You don't want to just be putting stuff out there all the time and you're not responding or you're not engaging with your audience. They want to know that you're a real person, especially if they're going to hire you or you can get your products. Like, they need to know that it's something tangible. They need to know that you're real. So you want to engage with your audience. Comment on maybe someone you're interested in working with's page, or reach out to them, or respond to their DMs, or respond to their comments, or like their photos. Be engaged. Like, you want people to know that they can reach out to you, especially if it's for a coaching business or a virtual styling business that you are trying to build momentum and generating income. You need people to want to reach out to you. If you're not engaging and you're not putting yourself out there for people to want to engage with you, then they're not going to shop. Okay, this next one is going to be making sure that you are promoting your services. Do not be afraid to put yourself out there. If you have a business, the only person that's going to promote your business is you. You have to trust in yourself. You have to trust in your business in order for people to want to work with you, in order for people to want to buy your products or services. So if you're a virtual stylist, you're a coach, or you're trying to put your business out there, do it consistently. People need to see things 7 times minimum in order to even try to reach out to you to purchase a product. So it's not like the first time you do it. That's why consistency is key. People need to see that you're serious about your business, and they need to know that you are just consistent. Like, if you're consistent with yourself, they're going to know that you're consistent and committed to your business, and you're consistent and committed to them. So you really want to make sure that you're consistent with promoting your business. So that means if you're on social media, maybe you have a schedule. Like for me, I have a weekly schedule of posting something on YouTube every week. Not something, but something of value, or something where I'm providing information, or maybe I'm even promoting my products or services. Or in my link in bio on Instagram, I'm always providing the link that you can use to shop my, courses, or my ebook, or my coaching business, or virtual styling or styling business. Like, I have my links everywhere so that people know you can reach out to me, not just, to engage, but also if you are interested in any of the services or products, you can get them too. So make sure that you're putting them in your description, your link in bio, you're telling people about them, but be consistent with it. Don't be shy to promote yourself. All right, and next you're going to want to optimize your website. Now, that just means making sure that it is friendly enough for people to shop. It's friendly enough for people to navigate. It doesn't take a long time. It's easy to read. And if you need some help with that, you can always use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. I recommend Fiverr if you are looking for just a task or a project to be done that's digital, like creating your website, because you can find someone that can literally help you do that in maybe 2 to 3 days. I suggest you find someone that has at least 5 stars, that has similar aesthetic to what you're looking for, and you look at the reviews. Make sure that the reviews have make sure they have good reviews, because you don't want to reach out to someone, pay them, and it's not, something that you were looking for. You want to do your research. So sometimes I'll create a folder and I'll put like 10 different people in there that I like their work, and then I'll go back and then I'll look maybe 2 or 3, reach out to them, see how they respond, and then also just see how their work is again, and then I'll hire them for the job. So if you need help with optimizing your website, you can search that on Fiverr. I really suggest that you do that, because you really want to make sure that it looks professional and that it's aligned with, your goals and what it is that you're trying to do with your virtual styling business, coaching business, whatever type of digital business that you may have, or even products. You want to make sure that you get like a professional and make it look good for you. You don't want to just throw something up there and have people go to it and wonder why it's not working. Like, you need to have things in order, especially if you're going to be serious. Remember, you do not have to do everything by yourself. It is so many different tools like the Creative Marketplace and the Fiverr that you can use in your business to help you, like, advance, like things that maybe you thought, sitting on Canva and creating templates all day would take you, maybe to create 10 would take you all day. You can go on Creative Marketplace and purchase 200 for $40. Tweak them and make them your own. There's so many different resources out here. And then the Fiverr, like I said, you can use these platforms to help you optimize your business, help you optimize your website, help you, create a landing page that has a freebie where you're giving some type of value or information, or allows you to, have people reach out to you, connect your email to it. Like, there's so many different, ways that you can generate income. And don't think that, having an extravagant website or having all these things is going to be the thing that's holding you back from generating income, because you technically don't need all the things. You just need one thing, stay consistent with it, promote people to that, and you will start to see, some revenue coming in. And consistency, like I said, consistency is going to be key. If you don't get anything out of this, consistency is going to be your best friend. And I do have a video I created on that, just like routines for your life and being consistent and what that will do for your overall life, not just your business. So I'll leave that in the description below too. All right, and the next one is going to be networking. Networking is, it doesn't necessarily have to be in person. It can be in person, but I love going to conferences, and I love going because you just never know who you'll meet. It doesn't necessarily have to be within your specific like niche, or maybe like just a styling, for example, or maybe just a particular type of conference that you'll go to. There are so many conferences that you can go to for personal development, for coaching, for generating income, for fashion, all these different types of, programs or conferences that you can go to, or events that you can go to and meet so many people, so many different people that, you just need to expand. Yes, it's important to have like-minded people around, but you also want to have people who are stronger in other areas than you are so that you can learn from them. A lot of the skills that, are going to be helpful for you in your coaching or virtual or even your styling business is going to be people outside of your niche, people in finance, people who are great with personal development, because you have to get to learn your perfect customer. You have to learn yourself, especially in a business. So you want to start going to different networking events where you can talk about your products and services, but also get engaged and learn from other people and see what they're doing, see how they're growing. You just never know who you'll meet, especially at these great conferences. Like, for example, I really want to go to Sarah Jake's conference in May. If I don't go in May, I want to go to the one in the fall. But I just would love to go. It's a bunch of different women that'll be there, women that are leaders, women that are trying to make an impact on the world and help other women or other people. And I just feel like it would be a great place to go to network, to meet other women, to see what they're doing, to learn from them. You can meet a friend, you can meet someone as a client, you just never know. So just be open-minded. Don't go in there with like a high expectation of I'm going to leave with 10 clients, or I'm going to just go in there, have your business cards ready or have your digital virtual card ready, and just be prepared and open to meet people. Now, because I have been moving, I have kind of fallen off of my routine. So I wanted to go over a routine that I created on my Notion. Now, this routine is not specifically for everything. Well, I can't say specifically. This routine is not only for, this routine is not about like an entire life's routine. Like, for example, I have routines and videos that I've shot of like my morning routine where I journal and I pray and I read and I work out, and then I go into my working routine. This routine is going to be just for working my business and the things that I will do and have done and just want to get back on top of since my move of generating income, because I know that these things work. They've worked. And even this is the thing. Once you put something in motion, it's going to consistently ripple. Like, it's going to get better and better and better. And it's also going to generate more of what you're looking for. So let's dive into this routine that I want to show you guys. And then you guys can either use it on an everyday basis. You don't have to. You can incorporate it maybe one time a week into your flow or add things into your routine, or you can do it on a monthly basis. So once we dive into that, I'm going to show you on my screen, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, now I want to show you guys a glimpse of a daily habit time blocking, where you'll see that all the things that I want to do are going to be time blocked. And I usually set it on my phone so that I can, keep up with the time. So I'll set a 2-hour timer for this, 2-hour timer for this. But let's just go through it together. So the first morning block, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., is content creation, planning and creating for YouTube and Instagram platforms, ensuring it aligns with my brand and provides value. Value is everything. I was saying before, adding value is everything. So just making sure my content has some type of value that it's adding. And then I'll go ahead and edit and schedule any content or emails that need to go out for the week. And then, really just decide on exactly what needs to be filmed for the week. Then later in the morning, it's 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. I'm spending time engaging. I'm responding to comments and messages on social media. I'm engaging with my audience by participating in discussions and addressing their needs. And then in the early afternoon from 1 to 3, I'm doing client outreach. This is me connecting, responding to any people who are trying to be sponsored, or I'm responding to those who are wanting sponsorship or brand collaboration. Whether that be coaching or whether that be a brand that wants to send me products to promote. I'm just looking, and I'm also reaching out to new people that I'm interested in reaching out to. It's great to always have this included, especially if you want brand deals or you're trying to work with new people. And then I'm also at 3 to 5, I'm working on different products and services and promoting them. So I'm dedicating time to promoting my business. Now, that also could be through my content that I've already created in the morning, or it could also be, maybe something on, a platform where I'm sending an email, just some type of way to promote my products and services. Now, you don't have to do this every day. It's good to do this a few times throughout the week in different ways. However, this is definitely something that you need to incorporate, especially if you're trying to generate some income. And this needs to be consistent. All right, now the next one is the evening block. That one is 6 to 8 p.m. I'm networking. That could be virtual events, doesn't necessarily have to be in-person events, but just finding ways that I can connect with people that can be on different platforms online, maybe Facebook, maybe different online communities. There's great ways to find people on those. And then the next one is late night evening blocks. That's 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's content review and optimization. I'm reviewing my existing content, seeing what's doing well. You need to always be checking to see what's doing well because you want to see if you can do it again, or if it's something that needs some tweaking, you can reshoot it. But just take notes on what's doing well and what's not so that you're not going in the wrong direction. You want to double down on what's working. So I'm also optimizing emails, posts, videos, or other materials for better visibility and engagement. Then the next part, the 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. time block, you see the times are getting shorter and shorter, but that's just because I'm winding down. And so this one is learning a new skill. And that could be reading books, that could be searching for things on social media, that can be watching YouTube videos, that can be taking a course, just something to keep me engaged. Now, I do like to do this in the evenings, but I really like to do it in the morning when I'm fresh. So that was a part of my morning routine of working out, journaling, but also making sure that I'm learning something. So even though this is in the evening, I do a lot of that in the morning as well. So then the next one is going to be late night time block, 10 to 11 p.m. planning and strategy. Now I have this one listed here, but I do this every Sunday. Every Sunday night, I go through my to-do list. I have a to-do task over here, and it's just like a weekly guide for me to follow by day. And that just shows me the things that I need to do so I can check it off and just make sure that I'm on top of the things that I need to prioritize throughout the week. Then I have bedtime time blocks. That is just reflecting, journaling. Yes, I do it in the morning, but also at night, reflecting and just thinking about all the things I was grateful for that day. Writing down at least 3 things that I'm grateful for keeps me on track, keeps me motivated, and keeps me just excited to keep going. Then it also is a good time to just set goals for the next day. Now, the last one is just winding down. Winding down self-care activities ensures you get good night's rest, to just sleep and recharge and know that you're going to be productive. So these two can kind of go hand in hand. I just wanted to give you an idea of a great daily habits tracker that you can implement into your life and your business too. Okay, I hope that you guys found this video helpful with different daily habits that you can use to generate income in your styling business, coaching business, virtual styling business, whatever you may have. I really hope that this video helps you. If it did, leave it in the comments. I would love to know. I want us to start doing these routines together. Let me know what you've added into your routine, what you've taken out, what you've learned from this video, and also share this information with someone. Also, if you have not yet liked and subscribed, please make sure you do so. Share this information again with someone you feel that it would add value to. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.